I am so excited. I get back on the road today. Oh, it has been, oh my goodness, a long time. A really long time of waiting around in Salt Lake City, and then I moved to Corvallis to finish up treatments with my own doctor. So what happened was I was getting chiropractic treatment in Salt Lake City, and the chiropractor, good but not trained in the methodology that my doctor uses, and she adjusted my neck, and that totally messed up everything that I had done this summer with my doctor. And so I decided to just drive back to Corvallis and get all fixed up, and yay, it is the 9th of November and I am finally back on the road. Haven't seen a lot from me because it's not very inspiring to me to be just sitting around in a town. And so when I'm not inspired, I'm not really excited to even share stuff with you guys either. So now I'm heading to the coast. I'm gonna meet up with my friend Brian and my friend Margot and her husband James. He goes by Wobbly Cat, and he's a photographer. Margot is crazy fun, and Brian is one of the best humans you could ever meet. So I caught up with my friends a couple of days ago. We've been staying at the Blue Heron Cheese Factory in Tillamook. We're now doing the 3 Cape Drive today. Gonna go explore. We're at Cape Lookout, I think is where we're at right now. We had an awesome walk on the beach and then a really nice picnic, and now we're headed back to the car to continue on the 3 Cape scenic route. I have been traveling around with my friends for about a week. I actually even went back to Corvallis to pick up some packages and came back. I'm obviously not in the habit of taking you guys along anymore. Sorry about that. So right now I am just south of Yachats, Oregon. It's about mid-coast. I overnighted in a pullout that's in part of the Cape Perpetua scenic area. Last night we had an Escapers community meetup at the Yachats Brewing and Farm Store. So this is a place that specializes in fermented everything. Their tap list includes house fermented kombucha, they have some guest ciders, they have a whole bunch of beers, and then they also do a lot of fermented food. So a lot of fermented vegetables, great kimchi, really good food. It's a very good place to stop if you're ever needing some real food on the coast. All the times that I've been to the Oregon coast, I've never come down to this side. I've always gone up to the Cape Perpetua lookout. So let's check it out. I'm at Spouting Horn. And that RV up there, that's my friend Brian. He wasn't parked too far. He couldn't just pull through where I was. Doing the climb down to Cook's Chasm. I love how the water runs down on the sides of the rocks over there. This is just a beautiful area. Even the bridge is just gorgeous. Cook's Chasm, Cape Perpetua scenic area, just south of Yachats, just north of Florence, Oregon, on the Central Oregon coast. It is such a gorgeous day. Look at the sunshine out on the waves. And now I'm directly above Cook's Chasm. Oh my gosh, I loved the Cook's Chasm and waiting for the bigger and bigger and bigger waves. Taking the Umpqua River lighthouse tour now. Let's go check it out. This one you get to go into the lens.
When they built this lighthouse, this turned one complete revolution every 2 minutes. If you look up here, you can see how the rollers and stuff work and how that rolls around on that.
So what's the weight of the lens then?
It's 9 foot 4 inches tall. It is 6 foot 2 inches in diameter, and it weighs 4,000 pounds. And it's all brass and all glass. The gentleman that designed this lens was a physicist from France. His name was Fresnel. The company that built this, they built 6 of them like this that weighed the same, looked the same, but we were the only ones that got red. Every lighthouse has their own signature light that they see when you're out in the ocean. The signature for this lighthouse, besides being red, happens within 15 seconds. So if you're out in the ocean or you're down at the end of the parking lot and you see a white light for a second, off for 4 seconds, a white light for a second, off for 4 seconds, a red light for a second, off for 4 seconds, and then back to white. Every nautical chart had the signature of that lighthouse on their chart, so they knew where they were at.
Here we are inside the lens. This is a Fresnel lens, and this is the only red one. So here we are going the other way. You really feel like you're moving when you're looking up. The entrance. This first one is the smock that they use for cleaning the interior, and then that's the one that they use for the lens for all the soot. That was really cool. Margot, James, Brian, and I are at Face Rock in Bandon, Oregon. This is just a day use area. At first glance it looks like just an overlook, but that would be a mistake. So we're gonna go explore down below and show you the cool rock formations. It's very foggy today, but it's still very cool. I'd like to introduce you to my friends. Here's Margot.
Hi.
And Brian, this is Stella. And Sadie's up ahead, the little poodle. Okay, now down at the beach, the tide was high at 9:30, so it is going out. Low tide is gonna be 3:30 and it's like 11 now. So this large rock is Table Rock, and there's an area where you can walk all the way through. I don't know if the tide is low enough yet to do that, but we're definitely gonna check it out and make sure. So we're evaluating whether we can actually get over there without getting too wet. Well, not while this wave is coming in, probably. So it is possible that we could go from this side. We will check it out and see. It's just super cool. Oh, I think we can. Woohoo! I think we can. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is magical. Okay, this is, I think, the coolest spot on the coast that I've ever seen. Now we know that the tide's going out. I wouldn't do this if I knew the tide was coming in. I don't see a way to get over
unless you're a
over there, because that part right there is a little deep.
I bet you can jump here.
No.
Just launch over.
We can get out this far.
So
If we can, like,
then later I think we'll be able to go through there. So here's another one that goes through. Oh, okay, I'm going there.
you would have been okay.
You will need your hands to hit the ground.
Oh yeah?
Well, at least I did.
Tight.
Because my hips, like I had to get shoulders and hips at different levels.
Oh.
Track it.
Oh, that is really tight. I think I have to go down
Yep.
below.
Yeah. There you go. Joni, I am impressed. That's very athletic. Right in the water, eh?
Not to get my scarf in the water too.
You succeeded.
Easy, go. Go.
Okay, now I would stand up and go, woo, I did it, but I would hit my head.
Yep.
Go, Sadie, go. Yeah.
Brian's being cameraman right now. Do you want me to grab it back?
No, I think you can get it. I think I can get out.
Yeah. Okay, well I'm in my water pants, so I might as well crawl.
Yeah, you kind of have to.
I think I'm in my water pants. I hope I'm in my water pants. All right. Did it.
Woohoo!
Oh, they went over.
She jumped over too, and then she started to panic a little. Yay! Even right there, it looks like sand, but it's still underwater.
Go underwater.
Go ahead, Joni.
I'm not a good leaper.
Incoming wave, by the way.
Incoming wave, okay, well, whatever. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'm glad I came in here. Because that's super cool. Okay, well, I got the incoming wave. Uh-oh. Ah! Okay, my shoes might be a little wet. Ah! Okay, so far my feet inside my shoes are still dry.
Really? That's impressive.
But we'll see. They're pretty wet on the outside.
I love how adventurous you are, Joni. What's the worst thing?
So this is super fun to just be trying to get around these waves. Not super successfully, but it's okay, I'll dry. We all made it back over. Oh my gosh, so much fun. Okay, so I'm gonna go the easy way back out. Just a little bit more exploring. They're beach walking, I am exploring the rocks. Okay, one more time. Let's see how different the water levels are. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
There.
I mean,
Oh yeah, it might not.
yeah.
This would be where
Hard
you
to
need
say.
like rubber boots or something to
Yep.
get through.
Certainly a lot easier to do this one this time. No wet feet. Choo.
Like a standoff.
That's it for Face Rock. This is the Face Rock Wayside in Bandon, Oregon. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us to play in the surf and on the rocks and through the rocks. This is Joni with TheGalavan. Enjoy your journey.